can go ahead and set her up to lope again.
Okay.
And you're going to just do the fast thing again. And go big now. Go, go, go. Yep, yep. There you go. Go, faster, faster, faster. Yes. Now bring her back without breaking. Very nice. And a trot. Nice. And walk, and you're going to do the walking rectangle.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Very nice. Very good. Now this next time, I'm like gonna blind the camera here. This next time when you do it, you're gonna over accentuate it.
Okay, this one?
Yep. There you go. Good job. My camera won't zoom out, so you're like zoomed in.
Exaggerating it?
Yep, you can go past 90 degrees too. That's no big deal. Close your fingers. Go past 90 degrees now. Yep. Good job. There. Now this time go past. Go like 180. There. Good job.